Hello everyone, welcome to English with English. And on this channel, you are just learning how to learn a language which is so much effective to use everywhere in the world. How to use and how to talk people, you are just learning on my YouTube channel one and one. And on this today content, I will say my thought. How do I work on accent and how do I train my brain to speak English without any translation and without any hesitations. I do not think if I'll talk so what people think about. I do not think in my mind what kind of mistake I will make. I do not worry about society. I do not worry about anything which is normal people think before you start their journey. I only think how can I make myself more better than before. This is my think, and with this think and with this thought I move ahead and I go ahead and ahead. And now I'm here with you. So today I will say with you how do I work on my accent, how do I just train my brain to speak English anywhere at all with anyone. And before going in any kind of process, before going interview or before starting any video, neither I translate nor I get any kind of trouble to make sentences make them people understand. So if you will stuck and you will stay with my end of the video, you will know how to do and when to do, where to do, and how can you make it. Just I will request you, before diving in my content, just hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel where you will know how to make English easier to learn in your life. So let's dive in my content for today. So I will tell you my past life 2 years ago when I decided to learn this language, what happened with me and what kind of trouble I found in my life. Guys, I was kind of normal people, a normal boy who was easily speaking Hindi, and worse than Hindi because we are just speaking kind of Bhojpuri, Hindi and Awadhi kind of languages, including 3 languages. There is 1 language we are speaking in villages. But when I just visited somewhere else, I saw some people was speaking. I feel, oh my God, I must speak this language because I like people company who is speaking this language so much perfectly. Okay, so I wanted to speak, but the things were quite tough for me. So I was getting a lot of distractions and a lot of people was telling different kind of opinion in his life. I was thinking, oh, how can I do this? First learn grammar, and second just learn a lot of vocabulary, and then make sentences. After making sentences, you have to speak publicly. When you're going to speak publicly, you will get a lot of distractions. When you'll get a lot of distractions, and there will be a lot of people, different various colors, handsome, many kind of people, and I will worry, hey, I am 26-7-year-old, and if I will make mistake, they will laugh at me. I'll be part of prank of this event. So that was quite miserable for me. And then I just started following some American and US people, and there I've got one channel, and that channel was saying, and that host a video, I think creator was telling to the other people like this kind of video he also make. He was telling that if you want to speak English, so you do not have to worry at all. What you have to do, Just you have to listen, listen, listen and listen. And I liked his strategy, because when I listen, I only have to listen, not write, nor read, and neither to speak. It was really good philosophy. And there I have made one commitment. And what was that commitment? I thought, look, one more thing I'm gonna tell you here, okay? I thought there, what I thought I'm gonna tell you here. Actually we are Indian, and some of are just other countries people. Whenever we are born in our people, in our native language, we get that slang and their intonation, their way of talking, their way of behaving, and their way of laughing. Everything we get from our mother and father. Like I'm Indian, I think Hindi, I speak Hindi, but somebody is speaking in Bengali, they are speaking Bengali language and slangs and behavior as well. Some of them Marathi, they are speaking Marathi and Gujarati as well. Some of them are Kannada, they are speaking Kannada and Kannada accent, everything of them. We are same human being, but born in different places, getting different kind of knowledge and different slangs by this only tongue and mouth and mind. Why? Because of your parents. How he is speaking, we are learning. So there I thought, if I am going to start my journey to learn this language, so I am a small child now in this language, a baby boy I am, and because I'm going to start from A, B, C, D, so I'm kind of baby boy. And if I will listen American, so of course I will speak like American. That's why my small thought of my mind, whether I'm 25 years, but I'm going to start, so I am just going to like baby boy in this language. If I listen them only and I observe them, I focus on them, so I will just speak like them. And with that thought, I started listening a lot of American speaker, a lot of comedian, a lot of podcaster, a lot of movie at all. I started listening them. Easy way. And when I came on platform or at social media of Indian platform, they started abusing with me. Because I'm Indian, I was talking like them, I was trying to talk like them. They were telling, okay, if you're Indian, so you must have to speak English. But what is the matter? You are trying to talk like them. That doesn't matter. The matter is English. But what do you know? I thought if somebody is speaking English and he do not have accent, it's my thought actually. So the English seemed to be Hindi, English seemed to be Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, yeah, other things, but still you are speaking English. So I thought, if I'm learning, if I'm killing my time, so no, why not perfectly? Why not learn their accent? So I did it with that. I listened a lot, listened a lot, listened a lot. And when I got ability, lot of power in this language, I went on social media, I struggled, people abused me, they never respected me. But I was there also knowing one thing, an easy thing. Again and again work will lead to perfect person in your life. So do again and again, again and again, again and again. You will do work perfectly. And 1 year I struggled. Now my accent is quite good. Not like them, I know that, because I'm working on it. But it's quite good, little bit different than other society of mine. So I'm really happy with it. In this way, I have made my accent, and how I trained my vocabulary and my sentences and my learning English of way. So there we go off then. How do I train my mind? Okay, now let's begin. So one example I'll also take you here, a kind of rural example I will take here, because I'm kind of boy who born in rural family and live in rural area, so I do not have any kind of standard kind of example where I can put it. Okay, so I will tell you one thing, my dear brother. Suppose I have a bicycle at my home. You have a bicycle at your home and you want to just ride a bicycle by on your own. How did you learn it? First, you was trying to grab that bicycle, walk on the road slowly and gradually. Later on, you started, I think that riding little bit with fear, with a lot of anxiety. Sometimes you fall down. Sometimes again you stayed, and again you fall down. Again you stood. Again you fall down. One day, 2 days, a month later, you sit on its seat, and what happened? You start riding, but you are fearing, oh, ahead is there something, oh, ahead is there something, road is ditchy, and how can I drive? And some days later you also overcome those things. Again you are thinking about to go market with that bicycle, and you started thinking about, oh, there is a crowd, a bus is coming, oh, truck is coming, and you started fearing about that. But after fear, you not stopping your journey. When you're fearing, you're not stopping to learn that. You are trying to cross your fear, and you are going once, twice, once, twice, one, and one day you also overcome that fear of truck, of buses, and again you're thinking about to cross the crowd of your market or of your city, and again you tried and you cross it, really cross it. And now what happened with you? You never worry about anything. You are even though thinking about your mother, father, parents, study, school, girlfriend or boyfriend or anything you're thinking. Once you decided I have to go my school, whatever problems comes in your life, that doesn't matter. Whatever thought comes in your mind, that doesn't matter. Your bike and your bicycle going direct, I think, in directions of your school, where you want to stay, where you want to reach. And you're thinking whatever you are thinking in your brain, that doesn't matter. You will reach wherever you want to go. But in between start and reach, if there is any cow, any cat, just a dog comes in your way, like suddenly he comes in front of your tire, so you put your brake hardly and you feel, oh my goodness, mine doesn't work. Where I was, oh, I was thinking about something and there was a dog, and your mind doesn't work but your leg did. What happened? It was gesture of your mind. Your mind is gesturing, some bacteria is coming towards your eyes, you have to close your eyebrow. Okay, you do not feel, actually your heart, it does not feel, but you're blinking, your eyebrow does feel the bacteria is coming, whether it's a night or it's a day, a hazy day, a sunny day, cloudy day or dusty day. That doesn't matter. Your blinking power, your eyebrow is understanding, your mind is understanding what to do at a time. It is training of your brain. How you're thinking a girlfriend, you're going, some cat is coming, your leg is putting the brake and the bike got stuck, you fall down, you save yourself from accident, and sometimes it happens, most of the time not. So this is training up your brain. It is totally relevant with English, as it is my experience. when you are training your brain somewhere by listening, by reading, by writing, by speaking, by listening, by reading, by writing, by speaking, your brain is training. You must have to go ahead. Don't worry about making mistake. How you do not worry to ride a bicycle. You are moving. So move out. When you'll move out, you will get result. But if you'll worry, you're gonna stop your journey. What will happen with you? You will not learn. So in this video, I wanna tell you, don't worry to make mistake. Go ahead. And once you train your brain, so you need not to just translate. You need not to memorize a lot of vocabulary, a lot of grammatical knowledge. Your mind will put all those things in front of you. Whatever in the way of training your brain, just adopt it. I have shared a lot of technique in my video of previous videos. So just now watch those videos as well and just listen and train your brain. Once you train, every time you will speak without translation. That is my secret for now today. If you like, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel, and just it would be too much good for me to see you on my channel, and I really delighted with your, I think, some kind of appreciation, a compassion of you. So please hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. Be with me and just make some messages as well. How is my video, how I'm making, and how you are getting a benefit of it. Thank you for being my YouTube channel for this content, and here I'll tell you thank you so much and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.